Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to register to vote online. Not only this is more convenient, but also it is easy to do. This way, you don't have to go to the local DMV. If you're planning to become a US citizen or you have already become a US citizen, this video is great for you. It's going to save you a lot of time and energy. I didn't know about this until recently. I just found this recently, therefore I wanted to share this with you all. So if you think my video is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe for more. I appreciate all your support. Alright, let's get started. First of all, you're gonna go to Google and then type DMV. Click the first link or just look for the official DMV website in your state. And then it's gonna pop up something like this. If you don't have an account, then just sign up on the upper right corner. If you already have an account, then just log in. So I'm going to log in here with my account. Alright, so once you log in, you're going to see something like this. And then you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see this register to vote option. You're going to click it. And then it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you're going to confirm your personal information, including your name, birthday, billing address, and email address. And then you're going to scroll down. You're going to answer these simple questions. Once you're done, hit continue. It's going to bring you to the next page. I didn't put my telephone number, it's optional. Then you will select to enroll in a political party. If you're not sure, just put no party. And then hit continue. We're almost finished, guys. And lastly, you're going to confirm everything. And then you're going to affirm and agree with the information that you put. And finally, you're done. Hit submit. Then you're going to get this page. It's going to give you the confirmation number and date process. You will also get a confirmation email, so you don't have to take a screenshot. That's everything for this video. Like I said, if you learned something, please show me some love and support. Have a great one, guys.